Today I'm in Frankfurt for the Brother European dealer meeting, and I'm going to get technical and find out the benefits of using the SPEEDIO. It's obviously in the name, but please tell me more about the benefits of the SPEEDIO machine tool range.
Okay, SPEEDIO is a machine tool that maximizes your productivity. We have been focusing on reducing non-cutting time, because non-cutting time is the time you are not making any value, and it's a big percentage of overall time. One of the key features to achieve minimum non-cutting time is a tool change. Minimum tool change time of SPEEDIO is 0.6 seconds. It's been 10 years since the first SPEEDIO was dispatched. At that time, it was 0.8 seconds. That means we have reduced 0.2 seconds in the last 10 years by putting continuous efforts and technologies on the machine.
Certainly very impressive statistics, and there's no wonder why these machine tools are some of the fastest in the world. What spindle options are available?
As for Spindle, we have got the option of 10K high torque, 16K and 27K RPM, BT and BBT. Maximum output is 26.2 kilowatts. Options can be different by the model you choose. If you look at the acceleration of the Spindle, 10K high torque is going from 0 to 10,000 RPM at less than 0.15 seconds.
Reducing chip-to-chip time, reducing downtime is one of Brother's main key focuses on all of the machine tool range. So can you go into a little bit more detail on how this is achieved, not just through the tool changer?
Yes, during production in general, a spindle is going up and down, stopping and rotating all the time. And to finish one part, you need to change tools 10 times, 20 times and more. That is why tool change time and acceleration of spindle is important for your productivity. And SPEEDIO can perform all these functions: tool change, spindle rotation, positioning, and even indexing at the same time.
So massive benefits. Now Brother also have their own control system, and they also supply lots of different automation solutions as well. But I really want to focus on the latest machine tool, the SPEEDIO M200Xd1-5AX, fully simultaneous fifth axis with turning capability. This is one of the latest models. Tell me about it.
Okay, we have recently launched M200Xd1-5AX. It's multitasking machine, a 5-axis machining center with turning function. Now it's got simultaneous 5-axis function with TCP control. So it can mill by indexing, it can turn, now it can machine full 5-axis application. I think it's done in one solution with minimum footprint. We have popular customers in die-cast industry, but this machine can fit for subcontract customers too.
I am extremely impressed with the footprint of this machine tool and the capabilities that you get within such a small footprint. Extremely, extremely impressive. Now finally, can you just talk me through the machine tool range that you offer and some of the different applications that they lend themselves to?
Okay, a unique point about SPEEDIO brand is the variety of products. We have a standard 3-axis milling machine, 5-axis machines, pallet changing machines, horizontal machine, and multitasking machine. They all have BT30 size spindle, and they all can increase your productivity. I hope all the customers look at what we have and find the one for your production.
Thank you so much for the insight into the new machine tool and the Brother range. We're going to be learning a lot more about the complete range of machine tools in the months to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you.